Hello everyone, welcome back to another English practice session. In today's video, we'll practice using love to talk about things we enjoy, prefer, or do regularly. This is a very natural structure that native speakers use when they talk about hobbies, daily habits, or personal interest. This video is fully practice focused. We'll go through real conversational sentences so you can use this structure smoothly in your everyday speaking. For a clear explanation of how the structure works, make sure you have watched the main structure class first. The link is in the description box. Now relax, listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's practice together. I love watching movie with my friends. I repeat, I love watching movies with my friends. আমি বন্ধুদের সঙ্গে সিনেমা দেখতে ভালোবাসি। She loves cooking new dishes. I repeat, she loves cooking new dishes. সে নতুন খাবার রান্না করতে ভালোবাসে। They love traveling on holidays. I repeat, they love traveling on holidays. তারা ছুটিতে ভ্রমণ করতে ভালোবাসে। He loves playing football in the evening. I repeat, he loves playing football in the evening. সে সন্ধ্যায় ফুটবল খেলতে ভালোবাসে। We love learning English every day. I repeat, we love learning English every day. আমরা প্রতিদিন ইংরেজি শিখতে ভালোবাসি। I love being alone sometimes. I repeat, I love being alone sometimes. মাঝে মাঝে আমি একা থাকতে ভালোবাসি। He loves being my friend. I repeat, he loves being my friend. সে আমার বন্ধু হতে ভালোবাসে। She loves being confident. I repeat, she loves being confident. সে আত্মবিশ্বাসী হতে ভালোবাসে। They love being honest. I repeat, they love being honest. তারা সৎ হতে ভালোবাসে। We love being part of a team. I repeat, we love being part of a team. আমরা একটি টিমের অংশ হতে ভালোবাসি। I love having free time in the evening. I repeat, I love having free time in the evening. আমি সন্ধ্যায় ফ্রি সময় থাকতে ভালোবাসি। She loves having her own room. I repeat, she loves having her own room. সে নিজের আলাদা রুম থাকতে ভালোবাসে। He loves having money saved. I repeat, he loves having money saved. সে টাকা সঞ্চয় করতে ভালোবাসে। They love having supportive friends. I repeat, they love having supportive friends. তারা সহায়ক বন্ধু থাকতে ভালোবাসে। We love having peaceful mornings. I repeat, we love having peaceful mornings. আমরা শান্ত সকাল থাকতে ভালোবাসি। Great work finishing today's practice session. Using love in this way helps your English sound more natural, friendly, and confident. Try to use these sentences in your daily conversations to make this structure a habit. Thanks for practicing with me today. I'll be back soon with another easy and useful English practice session. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep enjoying your English journey.